So the significance of this particular date, on July 31, 1843, was that the Hawaiian Kingdom's sovereignty was re-established and confirmed. And in other words, the Hawaiian Kingdom was actually, at that point, recognized by Great Britain as a sovereign state. Now, a formal recognition came 5 months later, November 28th. And the significance of this is that that sovereignty has actually never been extinguished. That sovereignty has been with us ever since 1843, after the official recognition. And even though the United States has had acted to overthrow our government and take over and occupy our nation, we still are that sovereign country that was established in 1843. And so we are here today gathered in remembrance of that and in celebration of the continuance of our nation and in anticipation of the restoration of our nation. So patriots are gathered here today to celebrate that and to acknowledge the fact that this is a nation on the rise, that the Hawaiian Kingdom is still alive and returning. Aloha.
E kanikapu!
We want our nation back because it had been illegally taken and it's being illegally occupied by the United States. And the reason we want it back is because we want to be able to govern ourselves and not be governed by a foreign power such as the United States. And the reason that is that the world itself is going into all kinds of crises and actions that we do not, as Hawaiians, do not go along with. For instance, militarization. The extreme militarization in the Pacific is based here in Hawaii. And so we want to really restore our nation and our ability to call the shots, so to speak, on how we conduct ourselves as a friendly, neutral nation. And one of the things is that we do not want our nation to be used as a military base. And the other parts are economics, the fact that we need to create our own economy to sustain ourselves, and the fact that we have a different style of how we want to govern. It's a governance that pays attention to the needs of the people and the land and the things around us, rather than the need to make money. like so much of the Western civilizations are based on.